Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13F and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, and as you can see I've got this special type of a green line, so the golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically it should disappear after resetting. All we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Tap on Restore. And as you can see, the golden spiral simply disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.